In this video, I'll try to solve question from 31 to 36. It's a summary completion. What happens when people encounter misinformation? Here is the encounter and people is our keyword. Although people have, that means although people have something to misinformation, there is a debate. Debate is our keyword about precisely how and when the label something is true or untrue. The philosopher Descartes and Spinoza had about something how people engaged with, while Descartes believed that people accept reject information after considering whether it is true or not. Spinoza argued that people accepted all information encouraging and by default misinformation and did not verify or reject it until afterward. Moreover, transition word, Spinoza believed that the distinct of something distinct, that means separate. We have to need to understand this meaning of here. Involve this stage. Recent research has proved dash of Spinoza theory. It would appear that people, if it were true, even if these are the extremely dash, this is consistent with the fact that the resource for skepticism and the resources for perceiving, that means understanding, encoding are in the dash of the brain. Knowing what happens when people initially encounter misinformation holds tremendous importance of estimating the potential of subsequent problem. As find here, people encounter, so find our keyword here. Next, although it is fairly routine for individuals as come across the information that is false, the question of exactly how and when we mentally label information as true or false, this generated philosopher debate. Yes, it's a debate says about that. Although it is a very routine for individual, question says although people have, that means people have, individual have something to misinformation, it is there is debate, a philosophical debate. So people have something very routine, so very routine is matched with which option? Contrast conflict, no experimental subject. Frequent exposure is similar to very routine. Different, no different idea. Additional evidence, short period. Mental operation, different location. Extreme distrust, dubious reason. No, it's a frequent exposure. Very routine. So G is answer of 31. Next question. The philosopher Descartes and Spinoza had dash about how people engage with information. Their idea related something, their opinion and their. As we find here, philosopher, the dilemma is nearly summarized. Contrast between and philosopher Descartes and Baruch Spinoza describe human information engagement with conflicting prediction that only recently have been empirically tested in a robust way. So they give conflicting prediction and contrast between each other. So they give different idea from each other. Not conflict, constant conflict here. Experimental subject, different idea. Yes, different ideas. So answer wrong. 32 is J. Moreover, Spinoza believed that distinct dash is involved in this stage. Descartes argued that a person only accept or reject information after considering trust or falsehood. Spinoza argued that all encounter information by default and the subsequently verify or reject it, though separated cognitive process. So they are verify or rejecting it uh, through separation, through a distinct cognitive process. Is cognitive process mean a operation that affect mental content. Cognitive process mean mental content. Contrast not matching, experimental subject not matching, uh, additional evidence, not short period mental operation. Yes, it's mental operation as matched with this. So H is the answer of 33. Recent research has provided dash for Spinoza theory, and it would appear that people accept all encountered information if it is true, if it were true. Recent decade from research team other. Lots of people do research, and the subject has supported Spinoza's account. Has supported. That means he was supported by the scientist. People appear to encode all new information as if it were true, even only momentary. This means very short time, and the letter tag, they give a tag on information is as being either true or false, and pattern seems consistent with the observation that mental resources for skepticism physically the different part of the brain than the resource used in uh, perceiving, that means understanding or encoding. Opinion is supported by scientist. Recent research has provide, that means supported Spinoza's theory. Support Spinoza's theory. So support which is may give best option. Support is best option of additional evidence. So additional evidence. Recent research has proved additional evidence for Spinoza's theory, and it would appear that people accept. So B is the best answer of 34. Next, even this is an extremely dash and do not label information true or false until later. It where the true, even it only this extremely momentary. Is momentary, that means short time is later, and later tag the information being either true or false. So momentary is matched with short period here. So short period, if we match here, a short period is extremely short, even if this is for an extremely short period. So E, and do not label it short period, label true or false. Okay, last part. Perceiving and encoding are in the dash of the brain, physically reside, and different part of the brain. Different part mean different location and resource used in perceiving or encoding. Skepticism and resources are perceiving encoding are in where in different location in the brain. So C is answer of 36.